Happy first birthday, Conilyn. Sana lumaki kang masunurin sa amin, maging mabait ka sa kapwa mo, and huwag mong kakalimutan si Lord paglaki mo na mag-thank you sa Kanya.
Happy birthday, Conilyn! I wish na lumaki kang good girl at masunurin kay mommy at daddy mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, pinag-pray ka namin kay Lord kasi dumating ka sa amin. Thank you kay Lord at binigay ka niya sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, baby. I love you, Conilyn. Happy birthday, anak ko.
Happy birthday, Conilyn! We love you!
It's a new way, it's a brand new day.
We saw how much you have grown, and we are so glad. My wishes for you is a good life, good health, and all the best. We love you, Conilyn, but we are so happy to have you in our life.
Ano po ang birthday wish po natin kay baby Conilyn?
Happy birthday, Conilyn. Dada is correct. Wala, happy birthday, Conilyn. Sana lumaki kang healthy at saka mabait at saka ayun, ayun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Conilyn. Minsan ka lang magiging 1-year-old. Thank you sa lahat ng pagkain natin.
Happy birthday, Conilyn. Wish you more luck and grow up more and be strong and healthy and happy always.
Hindi nyo alam kung gaano naipanganak itong batang to, but I was a witness of that.
Tingin mo si Mami at Daddy dahil matagal ka nilang inantay.